Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to make a bookshelf from used cardboard. And before we start to make the bookshelf, we must to prepare the tools and materials. The first tool is a used cardboard, and the second tool is a wrapping paper. And third one is a ruler, cutter, a glue, and a pencil. So let's make a bookshelf. So how to make a bookshelf from used cardboard? First one, we must to prepare the cardboard that will be used as the basic material for the bookshelf. Try to use thick cardboard so that the bookshelf is sturdier. If you use cardboard from a milk carton, the result will automatically be thinner. You can get around this by adding styrofoam. And then we must to prepare several areas of cardboard to serve as the base, side, back, and top of the bookshelf. This stage is adjust to the shape of the bookshelf you want to design. Measure the length and width of the cardboard using a ruler and mark each point using a pencil or pen. At this stage, you are required to measure each corner of the cardboard carefully so that no errors occur during the cutting process. It will be a shame if your cardboard was wasted. The cardboard that you have measured, then you cut it according to the size you have determined. You can use scissor or a cutter as a cutting tool. However, usually a cutter can produce neither result. Use a ruler to limit the cutter from going out of line. Be careful, don't make the wrong cut or end up hurting yourself. The cardboard that has been cut is then glued using wood glue or glue gun. Usually hot glue will stick better, so your bookshelf will stand up straight and sturdy. If all area of the cardboard have become a perfect frame, it means you have successfully made a bookshelf from cardboard. If the results are still fine, you can repeat the previous step. Maybe there is one step that needs to be correct. And next, use wrapping paper to cover the cardboard. At the same time, decorate your bookshelf to make it look even more beautiful. And then your bookshelf from the cardboard is done. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and see you next time.